When water takes over your home, where do you stand? Self-battles, people fight alone.
We are here to rebuild your home free of charge. God in His infinite mercy have remembered you. Today, your story will change.
From flood to safety.
You didn't just build a house, you gave me peace, you gave me life again. To everyone watching this, may help find you when you need it the most. Comment amen if you believe. Share this and follow this page.